What's up, you guys? So it is December 5th, so it's the fifth day of Vlogmas. I don't know why my brain's having a hard time wrap around. I don't know, but I honestly don't know what I'm going to do for today. I have like 5 hours to kill before I have to go to work, and this starts my whole like work for dinner. So that's like pack a dinner because I'm not coming home and making dinner at 1 a.m. It's just not happening. But yeah, I didn't have time to watch like Vlogmases yesterday, so I'm gonna catch up on that. I'm gonna finish up yesterday's vlog because my laptop was giving me issues last night and figure out what content I want for today. So I'm running Kyla's meds because he forgot them. And I'm debating if I want to go get some donuts. Like, do I want to stop at Timmy Ho's and get some donuts? Or get some bougie ones, some Peace, Love, and Little donuts? Like, sounds like a good time to me. But, yeah. Today I think I'm just gonna be pretty productive and just like clean up because I'm off Tuesday and Wednesday, and one of those days Kyle gets off early, so we're going to do the tree, and then the other day I want to go through my closet, which is like why like I'm so focused on getting all the clothes done, because like I've been wearing some clothes where like I'm like on, and it's just like, you know what, I don't love it, why keep it? So I'm gonna do that the other day. So today's gonna be pretty chill and we're just gonna clean. So I said no to the donut just because it's like every time I go to that Tim's I don't have the donut I want, and literally all I want is a sprinkle donut, and I'm not up for disappointment today, so we're avoiding that. So yeah, we'll open this and I'm gonna start making some lunch just so I can do all the dishes at once because the dishwasher is pretty empty right now, so I'm gonna take full advantage of that. Then I still need to make bed. I need to figure out what I'm gonna have for lunch because I just took my medicine and I get really sick if like I don't eat with it, so I'm gonna figure that out. So my big brain forgot that we have leftover Pizza Hut, so I mean I already poured the rice in there, so we're just gonna make my burrito bowls for my dinner, and then for lunch I just have some leftover mushroom pizza, and yeah, super duper exciting. So it's time for me to start getting ready for work. I tried on that shirt. It did not work. and I have a new tripod, and apparently I keep hitting the start stop button. So it's like I lost half of today's footage because I'm clumsy and I don't double check. So that is unfortunate, but I need to start getting ready for work now because I have to leave in half an hour. So yeah, I mean, today was very boring. There was nothing exciting going on. I literally just cleaned and meal prepped basically, and that is it. But I mean, I have to work and I need to clean up the place because we all seen, if you see my room cleaning videos, you know how bad it can get if I don't stay on top of it. So yeah.